Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the latest tips and tricks to achieving your health and fitness goals. Today, we're diving into a topic that many men struggle with, getting rid of man boobs. If you're ready to regain your confidence and sculpt a more defined chest, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 7 tips to losing man boobs fast. Now let's get started. Tip number 1, focus on a healthy diet. When it comes to losing man boobs, diet plays a crucial role. To shed excess fat, you need to create a calorie deficit. Start by reducing your overall calorie intake and opting for nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu into your meals. These foods will help build muscle and speed up your metabolism, helping you to burn fat. Fill up on vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Tip number 2, include strength training exercises. Building chest muscles will help tone and shape your chest, reducing the appearance of man boobs. However, it's important to train your entire body to increase overall lean muscle mass to speed up your metabolism. Focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups, such as bench presses, pull-ups, squats, and deadlifts. Aim for at least 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week, allowing your muscles enough time to recover and grow stronger. Tip number 3, implement targeted chest exercises. In addition to overall strength training, adding specific chest exercises to your routine can yield even better results. Consider exercises like cable crossovers, chest presses, and incline push-ups. These exercises target the chest muscles, helping to tighten and firm the area. Start with a weight or difficulty level that challenges you, but still allows for proper form. Gradually increase the intensity as you grow stronger. Tip number 4, incorporate cardiovascular exercises. Cardio exercises are a great way to burn calories and reduce body fat, including chest fat. Engage in activities like running, swimming, cycling, or brisk walking for at least 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week. These exercises improve your endurance, allowing you to progressively overload and burn more and more calories as you get stronger and faster. Mix up your routine to keep it interesting and maintain your motivation. Tip number 5, maintain proper posture. Believe it or not, your posture affects the appearance of your chest. Slouching or hunching forward can make your chest appear saggy or droopy. Practice good posture by keeping your shoulders back and down and your spine aligned. Engage your core muscles to support your back and maintain an upright position. Not only will this improve the way that your chest looks, but it also contributes to overall body confidence. Tip number 6, reduce overall body fat. While it's not possible to spot reduce fat in a specific area, losing overall body fat can help reduce the appearance of man boobs. In addition to diet and exercise, incorporate healthy lifestyle habits into your routine. Get enough sleep to support your body's recovery and hormone regulation. Minimize stress through activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. And avoid excessive alcohol consumption, as it can interfere with your body's fat burning processes. Tip number 7, stay consistent and be patient. Losing man boobs takes time and dedication. Remember that everyone's body is different and results may vary. Stay committed to your diet and exercise routine and celebrate small victories along the way. Keep a positive mindset and focus on the progress you're making. With time and perseverance, you'll achieve the chest that you desire. And there you have it, our top 7 tips to losing man boobs fast. By following a healthy diet, incorporating cardio and strength training exercises, reducing overall body fat, maintaining proper posture, and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to creating a more defined chest and increased self-confidence. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. We have another video right here on the best way to lose belly fat, where we go over a powerful 7-step combination of weight training, cardio, and dieting to help you lose belly fat for good. Remember, you have the power to transform your body and achieve your goals. Now stay awesome, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next video.